Asphalt, everyone. I'm probably not pronouncing that right. But I remember when I was driving the Autobahn a long time ago, I kept on seeing a sign called AUSFARDT or something, or AUSFART, Asphalt. And I guess in German that means exit, so it was an exit sign. Anywho, we got the Autobahn special set here. Although I really don't know what is that? I don't know German. Targa Japan. I see, it's one of these Targa things. So, from 2006, licensed by Daimler Chrysler. Alright. It was plastic wrap, I assume at some point in time. And then, well, I guess, I don't know. Plastic thing here. This really speedy base. So I guess if you wanted to, you could keep this cardboard thing. It is kind of neat, right? It's very fast looking, this thing, but it's not flat, so it's kind of weird. You'd have to take it apart, maybe cut it out apart. Whatever. Okay, so we got 5 Mercedes here related to the Autobahn. Let's see. Let's start with this. This looks like an undercover police car. And so it's a Mercedes C-Class, and then we have the little star on this little translucent piece of plastic. The lights are not covered, they're just molded and chromed. We got the MB Polizzi. I'm probably not pronouncing that right either. I think there's black paint in this grille. Some silver fog lights, silver on the bumpers there. And then the translucency of the windshield there is alright. I think this maybe black, yeah, for the window molding. Yeah, this black here for the window molding. And then these wheels are specific to this car, I guess. And it looks like it has disc brakes here. You know, maybe. Yeah, it looks like there's little dots in there. Silver trim looks alright. It's a metallic blue, I think, or is it? No, maybe it's not. I think it's actually cracked. Look at the paint, it's cracked. So that's not cool. The tires are also looking a little old. They're not shiny anymore. So this doesn't have the same compound as other old Choro-Qs. These are old and cracking, so that's too bad. These are nice taillights though. There's like translucency to them, and I think silver on the back side. And then there's a red third brake light here, and there's also a Mercedes star printed there. And then the coin holder just says MB Polizzi. Silver on the bumpers back here. Big thick blue police light there. And then I think that says 04 when this casting was originally done. But yeah, look at the paint. The paint was laid on much too thick, I think. Or it's just not the best paint because it's clearly cracking. Too bad. Alright. Well, let's look at this one because this is a C-Class, so same body details. Just the paint details are a little bit different, right? We got green doors. Oh, now I'm noticing the door handles actually have details molded in. Okay, same wheels, and then we have a light bar here. I'm now noticing a grille texture, and this grille's alright. Alright, so it's amazing, you know, just a lighter body color. You see much more details. I mean, this dark blue, I guess it's there. Just wasn't seeing it. I guess I was distracted by the paint. See, this paint is much nicer because it's silver. I think silver resists aging. Metallics, I think it resists aging better. Alright. Yeah, there's the badge back there. This badge is much better than the last one as well. It's lower. And this, yeah, much clearer. So you can see something went wrong with this blue one. Look at all the lettering, how, like, filled in the letters are. Right? So that might be the reason why it's cracking. It's just too much paint. Alright, so this is much better. I actually have this already though. Alright, so I guess the next one would be the same livery but on an E-Class wagon. So same methodology, just molded lights but no clear cover. Black in this grille, nothing in these though. No black here either. Oh, it is molded nicely. The stars on a translucent piece of plastic. The green, the silver. Yeah, no paint problems on this. Unfortunately, the light bar is crooked. The holes weren't drilled properly. Some hazard striping here. Door handles look good. Molded trim here. And then again, the taillights are nice. You got red and silver, and they're translucent. Oh, I think this thing opens. Yeah. Not that there's anything worth looking at, just 3 seat backs. Alright, a little toy gimmick. And then it still has a coin holder though, if you wanted to do wheelies. And then the third brake light is printed on up there. 05 is when this casting was about. Tires look just as old though. They're kind of, these are still soft. Alright, well, not too bad, but not the greatest either. Couple G-Wagons. This is new to me. This is like a military G-Wagon. And I think I've seen these wheels before, but I've seen them in chrome. And then nice molding here for the side molding, painted black up here as well. The window molding is painted black, and then the camo's nicely done. We got a star in chrome and black there. Headlights are chrome. These little lights look silver or chrome. I can't tell. I think they're silver, or maybe they're clear. There is a texture here. You can hear it. Nice texture there as well. License plate looks good. Nice textures up here. Little orange paint for those blinkers. This side looks alright. And then this one again, translucent taillights. A little silver and red there. Unfortunately, too much green got on this as well. And then these are translucent also, but it's hard to tell. But there is red in there. Maybe if I hold it this way. Yeah, see, you can see the red way back there. Alright, nothing opens on this. Coin holder. Is that a star? Mercedes star? It's like a circle for some reason. Hinge looks alright. And then, yeah, well, alright, that light bar's not so bad. Some sunroof detail and some corrugation. This one was done in 04 as well. You can see the tires are really drab. They're not shiny. Okay. So this one must be like a fire truck. Yeah, it literally says fire. I thought Germans spelled fire differently. Okay, silver grill here. Nice black around the chrome headlight. And then this again, I guess maybe it's clear with silver behind it. Yeah, all the same molded details, but there's no orange paint on these blinkers. So the translucency, you can see the motor back there. Four of these lights up there. And then good detailing with the black separating from the red, including the black of the arches here. Same wheels, just silver this time. Fire 267. Nice tail, much better taillights on this one. Yeah, much better. Yeah, it says, oh, wait, 04. Yeah, never mind. I think it was that wagon that might have said 05. Alright, well, basically they're all good except for this one. This one just had some sort of paint problem going on. Alright, let's take a look at a couple other ones. I do have some other Benzes and more civilian livery. Alright, so here's this wagon, but in just red. And I add some paint details to the wheels. I'll have to go and probably do that to these police vehicles. Here's a C-Class with a metallic blue. Now you see this one, no problems as far as the paint goes. Unfortunately, there's a little molding problem there. But, you know, it's laid on much thinner because it's a metallic paint. So, no problems with this one. I have a regular white G-Wagon here. And not in this set, we have this SL with some 3D printed wheels. We have a totally different brand called HHQ, and they have some sort of like wagon, V-Class wagon. Different type of deformation. And then I have this A-Class where they have 3D printed wheels on. This one says, what, 99 on the bottom of this guy. So that's my Mercedes collection in deformed shape. Alright. Okay, well, you win some, you lose some, I guess. I guess 4 out of 5 is better than all 5 of them being bad. It's a real shame. I wish this one was bad because I already have it. But, oh well. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you the next time I get a deformed Mercedes. Bye.